Hey guys, so I know a couple of hours back I said I was gonna make a Casetify Apple Watch band review. I know it's been a long time since pending, but I've decided that I'm gonna still make one. It won't obviously be an unboxing video. I have used the Casetify Apple Watch band for about more than a year now. So I guess this video is more to show the durability of the Apple Watch band, as I have a lot of questions from other people about it, and also whether I do recommend it or not. So let's get started. So I managed to find the box it came with, and then also the stuff it came with along with it. But yeah, however, this will be interesting because I actually don't remember what's in the box, except for like a couple of link chains, I think it was. So this is in the box. It obviously, like the strap you will see on the website, came in this thing that's held it up. You know how when you have like these metal band watches, you have to go to those like watch repair stores to get the links changed and everything like that? Well, this one you don't. So they actually give you a kit that comes with it, so you can change up the links. So as you can see, I took like quite a few links out of my Apple Watch, yeah, just to make it my size because it was humongous. So what that looks like is they have this bar thingy, I don't know if you can see it, bar thingy that you have to like hammer through with like the little tool they have. So then that takes out this metal rod link here. So then yeah, you can take out as many links as you want and try it out and then see from there. So what this looks like is this. Yeah, so they've got like a little like instruction manual thingy that comes with it to show. I won't go into too much detail, but pretty much it's you put like one of these links through, and then like you use the screw thing, and then you screw it out, take it out, and then when it's the right link, just like put it back in and screw it in. It's honestly so easy. In terms of what else is in the box, they have given me, you know, this box here, and apparently I totally forgot about this, but they are cleansing wet wipes to clean your Apple Watch band. So I haven't used it clearly. I've only used it like once and that's about it. So yeah, what the chain looks like is this. So I've got the Apple Watch SE. It goes on really smoothly, as you can see. There is a bit of a color variance, to be honest. Like I've got the rose gold here, but this one is kind of more of a bronze gold. To be honest, if you're out there in the sun or, you know, not looking intently at the Apple Watch, you can barely see the color difference. Obviously you're looking at it right now here, so you can kind of see the difference in color. But nevertheless, it never bothered me, so I think it's fine. The way it goes in is pretty much the same as any Apple Watch band. So you just click on it here, and then you just slip it out. So I think one thing to note here is that since this is a band that links all together in one piece, you would want to do like slide both entry points of the band together in at the same time, like when you're putting it in. So not do like one side and then the other, because if you've got a small wrist like me, it's not gonna work. Like you're just gonna get stuck and it's not gonna be long enough for you to link it up in the Apple Watch. So yeah, make sure you just do that. So it's just so easy, you just slide it in and you hear the click and it's fine. And the way it closes up is like any metal link watch, so easy. In terms of wear and tear, because I've had this for about a year or so now. I got my Apple Watch back in December in 2020, and I ordered the Casetify Apple Watch band the moment it arrived. So I've had it for some time now, and I wear it religiously. I wear the sports one when I'm doing exercise, but other than that, I usually do wear this one quite a bit because this matches most of my outfits. Yeah, so you can kind of see there is a bit of wear and tear here, like a little bit of the colouring has rubbed off, but on the other side there's none. So interestingly enough, that's more like if I wear the Apple Watch, it's more around here that I've lost a bit of colour, but not on this side. So that's pretty interesting. Maybe it's because I rest my hand like this a lot when I'm like doing anything, so that's why the colour rubbed off. But again, it's barely noticeable. So yeah, like I don't mind it. It's pretty, like if you're having a coloured metal link watch band, it's bound to happen anyways, so yeah. Alright, so do I recommend this? Yes, definitely. I really like the colour. I love its durability. I get a lot of compliments around it all as well. I like how it kind of just accentuates my whole outfit. It doesn't look like an Apple Watch band or an Apple Watch at all. And I love metal link Apple Watch bands or watch bands in general. So it really just matches my whole aesthetics and my whole like look and feel all the time. So yes, I do recommend. In terms of price, oh, I think it was about like, I'll have to double check, but on the website it's $130 or something, Australian dollars. It is more on the pricier side. I'd say it's worth it because you're wearing it every day. You'll get your wear out of it. It also lasts, and I'm sure of the quality it is right now, it's gonna last for like the next 4 years if I still am using this Apple Watch style, or if I'm buying a new style and it still, you know, matches and is links up, then yeah, sure, I'll still probably use it. So yeah, it also comes in silver and a silver gold and a black color, I think it was. So I saw some people on Instagram where they have the silver Apple Watch and they have the silver and gold like bits in the middle, and honestly it looks like a Rolex kind of band. So yeah, definitely, it's definitely worth the investment. 100% I would buy Casetify Apple Watch bands again. So yeah, hopefully this video is super helpful, and as always, let me know if there's any questions below.